Find the derivative of the function. There is no need to simplify your answer. With this function, f of x equals tangent x over the square root of x squared minus 2x. We will need to use the quotient rule here, as we have a function in the numerator, tangent x, that is being divided by a different function in the denominator, the square root of x squared minus 2x. In order to use the quotient rule, we need to first use the denominator and multiply it by the derivative of the numerator. And from that we will subtract the numerator and to that we will multiply the derivative of the denominator. So we will have ddx of the square root of x squared minus 2x. And all of that will be over the denominator squared. Now another way we can write this function over here is x squared minus 2x to the 1/2 power. And this alerts us that when we try to find the derivative of this thing, that we will need to use the chain rule, because we have x squared minus 2x on the inside and 1/2, the power 1/2 on the outside. So in order to complete this derivative, all we have to do is the following. We just need to compute these derivatives that are left over from our quotient rule. So that'll leave us with the square root of x squared minus 2x. The derivative of the tangent function is secant squared x. To that we will subtract the tangent of x, and we need to multiply the tangent of x by the derivative of all of this over here. So the derivative of this, using the chain rule, says we take the derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone. So that looks like this. We will have 1/2 times x squared minus 2x to the negative 1/2 power. It's just the power rule. We left the insides alone. The x squared minus 2x is still inside. But then behind that we need to multiply the derivative of what's on the inside here, and that is 2x minus 2. And that is all over the square root of x squared minus 2x squared. Here is your derivative.